After graduation, I plan on attending Burnett Honors College, which is the honors college at UCF, and I want to get my master's degree in mechanical engineering. UCF was generous enough and they believed in me, and they've offered me a pretty good scholarship to go there. They have a big engineering program. They have so many different engineering groups. I really want to move into automotive mechanics. There's so many components, so many systems that have to be precisely tuned, or else you just wouldn't be able to use a car. Just the thought process of looking at a problem and then how can we solve this problem. You can kind of look up what you're going to get into, but you don't really know what engineering is until you actually take a class. Because we have an engineering program here, which is through Project Lead the Way, and just ever since I got in here, I've really just loved engineering. I know that there'll be new people I can meet in UCF. I look forward to that, but I will miss some of the friends here. Calculus teacher here, Mr. Jervy, is one of the best. Miss Pack, she's my engineering teacher this year, and she's really helped me along my way. Miss Stevenson was my 10th grade English teacher, and she was really helpful in college applications and essays and all this other stuff. And Miss Abdelberry, she was my other engineering teacher for 9th through 11th grade. She really helped get me to where I am today. When I came in, I started playing sports. I played football and lacrosse here. We had a clique of friends that kind of all played sports, and that kind of changed sophomore year because I had to have spinal surgery. They discovered I herniated 3 discs in my back, so that kind of ended my sports career. And now I volunteer a lot. On Sundays, I volunteer at Advent Health, Mu Alpha Theta, which is Math Honor Society. We try to give back to the school. We usually tutor here and at the local middle school. Try to help out with like algebra students and geometry and students that are just struggling a little. I've just kind of grown as a person, I guess, moved from sports more to the academic side of high school. So I'd say it wasn't necessarily a turning point, it was just readjusting where I put lots of my time into. I just think like if everyone can give back a little bit, we can just make the community so much better. You can really see your impact in the community. You don't have to join 100 clubs, but find 1 or 2 and stick with them and get friends and just, enjoy high school. I'm sure your parents say it's over in a heartbeat, and yeah, it's over.